Are you holding cryptocurrencies? Well, if you are, make sure you watch this video. I have some very interesting information to share with you discussing where the future of cryptos are headed. We have Gemini's Winklevoss twins. They're cutting 10% of its staff, and they're saying crypto winter is here. Very interesting. We need to talk about this. We need to do some technical analysis, taking a look at every single cryptocurrency to see what's actually happening and where we are headed in the crypto market. Now, if you love cryptocurrencies, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps us support the channel. And let me know in the comments below, do you think crypto winter is here? And make sure you all subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. There's been a lot of volatility in the crypto market and the stock market the past couple of days. It just seems like anytime there is green, immediately there is a reverse reaction to push and crash cryptos back to where they were. That's kind of what has been happening. That's kind of the theme ever since cryptos crashed a couple of weeks ago into this lower region here. Now, cryptocurrencies have gone down and have crashed basically because of interest rates. There's a lot of economical stuff that's happening right now that's pushing cryptos down. That's pushing the stock market down. That's pushing a lot of markets down around the world and is trickling into the crypto market. But I do have some good news. So we are going to be getting into technical analysis. We are going to be taking a look at other cryptocurrencies, but I want to share with you this article. This is very interesting. So billionaire Bitcoiners Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss are laying off 10% of the workforce at Gemini, which is a crypto exchange, a first for the US-based cryptocurrency exchange and custodian. The twins announced in a blog post on Thursday morning that the industry is in a contraction phase known as crypto winter, which has been further compounded by the current macroeconomic and geopolitical turmoil. So they are laying off people that work in the exchange because things have slowed down for crypto, which is totally true. But just because things have crashed and gone down, and because they are laying off staff, doesn't mean that cryptos are not going to recover. Cryptos have only been down since, let's say, the 10th of May. It has not even been 30 days that cryptos have been down. And cryptos have been many times before, whenever they crash and experience crashes similar to this, they've been in these periods for a couple of months. It takes a couple of months sometimes in these consolidation ranges where cryptos crash, they trade sideways, and then before they go up, usually that period can last 30 to 60, sometimes even 90 days. And that is known as a bear market or sometimes crypto winter. And that's when a lot of interest is being lost in cryptocurrencies. That's when we are seeing just things trade sideways. And that's just what happens. Cryptos crash every single cycle, multiple times. Cryptos appear bearish. Cryptos appear like they're not going to go anywhere and they're going to continue to go to zero. And it seems like cryptos will never go back up again, but it's in those exact moments when cryptocurrencies actually begin to recover. And if we take a look at last year, 1 year ago, from May all the way till July, Bitcoin and cryptos were crashing. There was a couple of pumps in between, but it seemed like cryptos were done with, that they're going to zero, that, all the experts out there were saying Bitcoin's going to zero, Bitcoin's never going to recover. And then boom, in just a matter of days, Bitcoin ended up breaking all-time highs. So the same situation is here. The same situation is here. It might not be the exact same timing where we're going to be trading sideways or, crashing for 60 days or 90 days. We might not have that same timing. It could be faster. It could be shorter. Nobody knows. But what's pushing down everything is, economic tightening. There's a lot of things that are happening that the Fed is doing to the US economy, the stock market, with quantitative easing and tightening, raising interest rates. There's a lot of things that are happening that is causing the volatility of the markets. But I do have some good news for you. So the crypto market does follow the stock market. And the stock market, just like I called out the other day, is looking very bullish. And we had a pullback, a little bit of a dip, a crash, as you want to call it. But look, we broke the highs. We are continuing to be bullish in the NASDAQ. Cryptos do tend to follow the NASDAQ. Let me show you the S&P 500. Just about the same thing. It's still looking very bullish. The stock market is beginning to recover despite all the FUD out there. And that is going to trickle down in the crypto market. I do assure you and promise you, cryptos follow the stock market 70% of the time. And they're just lagging behind a little bit. A lot of times that does happen. The stock market will be bullish. Cryptos kind of trade sideways and not really do much. And then boom, out of nowhere, they end up following the stock market. So personally, what I think it is of course, there's a lot of manipulation with whales trying to keep the prices of cryptocurrencies down, and continue to watch because I have some more information for you. And it's just manipulation. It's just FUD, it's fear and panic. And that's normal. That's healthy. These pullbacks are healthy. And guess what it does? When the market crashes and it seems like it's going to go to zero, It removes a lot of the people who do not need to be in the market. It removes a lot of the paper hands people, so that the people that are shaken out all the way at this current point are the people that believe in cryptos long term, so that the people that are going to continually buy it at these levels are going to be the people that are in it for the long run, not the paper hands that sell at every single drop or every 1% move. So these crashes are actually good. It cleanses and purifies the market of a lot of retail investors who are very emotional and cause these panic sells, cause these panic drops. It allows the prices to go up in a stable fashion. So sometimes these drops and crashes are actually really good for the market. And of course, they bring the market down, which brings and attracts a lot more investors for the long term as well. But just taking a look at cryptocurrencies, we are still bullish. Despite the crash we had yesterday, despite the little drops that we are seeing, we are bouncing up. Are we going to continue to bounce up and break all-time highs and break highs out of this range? We do not know. Nobody knows that. But so far, with the stock market going up, the US dollar is going down, despite it went up yesterday for once after quite some time. The market is still in a bullish trend. We are still, ever since we have crashed down here, a lot higher than where we were. Bitcoin crashed all the way down to about 25,000, 26,000. And look where we are at. We are over $30,000, which is a key psychological level right now. And it's very likely that we will continue, as long as the stock market continues to go up, to see higher numbers, to see bigger numbers. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on the market. And this does, yes, I am looking at Bitcoin, but this is pertinent. If you hold Dogecoin, if you hold Shiba Inu, if you hold Cardano, which is looking very bullish, by the way, if you are holding any of these altcoins, if you pay attention to Bitcoin, you will understand where the market is. And if you pay attention to the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, the US dollar, you will understand what Bitcoin and crypto's move is going to be. Now, if you want to get access to profitable trades, even during a crypto winter or bearish market, make sure you join the Patreon. It's only $10. You get access to a whole bunch of alerts and updates. And even in the higher tiers, you can speak to them on the phone and copy all of my exact day trades. And also, if you want to learn technical analysis, so you can learn when to buy, when to sell, so you're not holding the bag the entire time, go and watch my course right now at MYLESGinvestments.com while you can. This course will help to save you so much money. It would have helped you to learn to sell Dogecoin at the top. It would have helped you to learn to sell Shiba Inu at the top, which was, we put a buy alert at the exact top in Shiba Inu. Nobody in the world put a sell alert at the exact top but me. And that was all in my Patreon. You would have saved yourself thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars for certain people. And then you could have bought the dip now. You could have seen a huge crash. Look at this. You could have sold at the top. You could have bought the bottom at an 87% discount. And then you ride the wave back up. That's how you make money in the market. You buy low and you sell high. If you just hold your bag for the entire time, in time, yes, you might make money. You might most likely make money, especially if you're in very good crypto projects. But if you are in risky altcoins that might not ever recover again, if you don't know how to take profits, you will lose your money. So my course will help you learn to do that. And make sure you all claim your $4,000 bonus over on Bybit by being my subscriber. You deposit money into that account to trade it. You can go long, you can go short, you can do leverage trading over there. Go ahead and claim that $4,000 bonus now. It's the cheapest crypto trading platform in the world. Now that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I appreciate all of your love and support, and I will see you all later.